Malcom you sold the XLF.
I did
this morning.
This morning.
This morning.
Yeah, at the open. So my question on that is, how long do I have to wait for that trade, right? So to Scott's setup, we were told coming into this year, January, we were bullish on the GSIBs. We were bullish on the financial sector. We were bullish on M&A, all the goodies that were coming along with this administration. We haven't seen any of that, and I've lost confidence that we are going to see that in the first half of this year, like I would have been willing to bet back in January, which we were, because we went XLF to overweight that sector. So I just think that, yes, there's the likelihood that eventually we get to that deal-making bonanza, but how long do I have to wait?
I don't think it's just about deal-making, to be honest with you.
For me, it was.
Oh,
yeah,
right.
For me specifically, I wanted to be situated in the companies that in either direction that M&A is happening, the IPO market, them creating the buyouts, even interest rates becoming more favorable to help leverage, help companies that needed to refinance and rework their leverage. All of those positives that Goldman, Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, all the names you just named, I can't rely on that deal flow anymore. And that's the thing that I thought was really going to juice those profits.
Even out of that, it's like economic slowdown, falling rates, that's going to more offset.
Yeah, lower capital requirements is going to give them more ability to lend. That's why they want it.
Lend to
not
who?
only to small, medium-sized businesses, to consumer, to large business, to a lot of people. Just ask Jamie Dimon. That's why he complains all the time about the capital. He wants to lend out more. It's too restrictive. So when you lower the capital ratios, that'll be the capital requirements rather. That will be positive not only for lending but also for buybacks. And these stocks, some of them are trading at 1.2 times book.
Are you making the loans you thought you'd make in a more uncertain environment?
They will make more loans than what they're doing now. I think they will. Yeah, I do, Scott. And by the way, I have been adding to Wells Fargo and Bank of America because I think that the pullbacks from the highs give me a good opportunity to own best in class.
We know what the cause of all of this uncertainty is. We know what it is. It's Washington policy uncertainty. We therefore know exactly what the cure is. And there's only one cure, which is to lower that uncertainty. If that happens, Steffi's going to be right. I'm with Steffi on this. And, I look at the banks in particular. I'm interested, Malcolm, that you sold them. But, look at something like Citigroup that's in the process of buying back 15% of its market cap. And all I can see is that if that uncertainty comes down and the economy continues to grow, they'll have bought back at now, once again, a meaningful discount to their tangible book value. That's actually a good thing. What this all comes down to is, does the uncertainty decrease? Now, nobody can prove it. I can't prove it either. But unless this presidential administration is absolutely lunacidal, then I think they have to take the uncertainty down.
All right.